Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming you're on Windows 10 and that Sticky Notes is installed. This determines file locations. Once ready, open File Explorer and turn on Hidden Items because app data is hidden. Make sure to check both roaming and local app data paths for completeness. Now go to C/users/your username/app data and proceed. This gets you into the exact folders where Sticky Notes stores data, and it's the only way to access the files you'll need for backup or migration. Next, navigate into the packages directory for Microsoft. Microsoft Sticky Notes followed by the app-specific suffix, then open local state. There you'll find Plum. SQLite, this single SQLite database contains your notes and possibly log or backup files that reflect recent changes. Once located, copy Plum SQLite to a safe folder. Make sure to close the Sticky Notes app before copying. Backing up first prevents corruption, and this lets you inspect, move, or restore notes without affecting the live app. Finally, to restore or move notes, close Sticky Notes, replace Plum SQLite in local state with your backup, and then reopen the app. This should load your saved notes. To export individual notes, open Plum SQLite in an SQLite viewer and extract text or copy files to a new machine. If notes don't appear, make sure you use the correct package folder and app version. Also inspect indexed.db and log files for recent entries. If problems persist, restart Windows and confirm file permissions, then retry the replace.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.